The start of a new year is a great chance for many people to hit the reset button. It's the perfect time to plan ahead and work on ourselves, especially since time tends to fly by. Hi, I'm Eli Aringay. I'm a lawyer, homeschooling dad, EQ advocate, speaker, writer, musician, and a life coach. I want to use this space to share my thoughts on how to intentionally live a meaningful life and help you find purpose and balance in everything that you do. In this video, I'm going to share 5 personality traits that are often overlooked, but I really think we should focus on to make our lives more meaningful this 2026. Number 1, let go of perfectionism. Accept the fact that we are all a bit flawed and that failing is just part of life. Aim for excellence, but remember that nothing, especially not you, is going to be perfect. Number 2, celebrate the success of other people. Be genuinely happy for what others achieve. Your moment will come, so don't get caught up comparing yourself with the highlight reels of other people. Everyone has their own unique journey, so when someone else has a win, cheer on them instead of feeling envious. Number 3, set goals and enjoy the journey. Hitting your goals is great, but it's a journey that matters even more. Why? Because that's where you learn resilience, persistence, determination, and hard work. These are things that make you a better person. Number 4, be kind to yourself. Do your best, but don't be too hard on yourself. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would give a friend who's having a tough time. You wouldn't yell at someone for messing up, so why do that to yourself? Number 5, last but not the least, prioritize your health. All your achievements won't mean much if you get sick because you neglected your health. Make sure you eat right, sleep well, and get some exercise. Make this part of your routine. And don't skip that annual checkup. It is important. So these are 5 areas for self-improvement which are often pushed aside, but focusing on them can really boost your well-being and how you connect with others in 2026. Number 1, let go of perfectionism. Number 2, celebrate the success of other people. Number 3, set goals and enjoy the journey. Number 4, be kind to yourself. And number 5, prioritize your health. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to share this video so others can benefit from what I just talked about. Catch you in the next video.